Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara Nachijova. I'm a monitoring and evaluation officer, and today I'll be showing you how to merge data using Microsoft Excel. So when we are joining data in Microsoft Excel, we are basically doing one of two things. We are either appending data or we are merging data. So when we are appending data, we are basically trying to stack rows on top of each other from different data sets. And then when we are merging, we are trying to join different columns from different related data sets. We have three examples of data sets that we shall be using today. We have eData, we have the eBiodata, and then the eDepartment dataset. So in order to merge, we are going to start by transforming all these data sets into tables. We shall Control T, press OK, and then we can rename the table here. Probably we can call it eData. We don't leave any spaces. Okay, so that's our table eData. And then we shall move on to the next one. Still we'll use Control T, press OK, and then go to Design and rename the table. We'll call this one eBiodata. eBiodata. Okay, that is done. And then we'll move on to the next data set. Still, we shall use Ctrl T, press OK. If there is space in your first row, you can show that in case your titles are indicated in the first row, you can check My Table has headers. Okay, and then we'll go to Design and give it a name, eDepartment. Alright, so when all of this is done, then we shall go and try to create connections. So we'll go to Data, from Table Range. This may take some time to load depending on the size of the data set. You go to Close and Load to, and then we'll say only create connection, and then we shall load. So we are going to have our first connection here for eData. And then we'll move on to eBiodata. Still we'll go to Data, from Table or Range, close and load to, only create connection, and then we shall load. So we'll have our second connection created here. And then we'll move on to the third data set. Still we go to Data, and then from Table Range, close and load to. Still we shall only create connection, and then we shall load. So all our history will be recorded here for our three queries that we have created. So we'll right click on eData, and then we'll go to Merge. Okay, so we are trying to merge eData with eBiodata, and then we'll use gender, which is the common column here, to connect the two data sets. We shall press OK. Okay, so once this is done, we'll click on these arrows, and then we shall select the columns that we want to merge. So we'll have full name, checked, ethnicity, and then age, and then we shall press OK. Alright, so we'll have this data now showing here, and then we'll go to the ribbon and look for merge queries. Okay, we'll click here and then look for E department. So here we shall use the E department column to merge, and then we shall press OK. Alright, so when we get the new column here, we'll click on the new column, and then we shall first of all uncheck everything, and then we'll select the columns that we want to merge. We'll again press OK. Alright, so once this is done, we can go an extra mile to try and clean this data set. We can rename all of these. Like for example, we could say this can become maybe new full name, probably, and this could become new ethnicity. Okay, all right, this could become new age. Okay, and then this can still become new job title. Okay, and this can also become new business unit. All right, so now that we have all the columns merged together into one, we are going to close and load this back to Excel. Still, this will take some time. Okay, and finally we have our new data set that is complete with all the columns. We have brought the new full name, the new ethnicity, the new age, the new job title, and the new business unit. Okay, so now you can go ahead and conduct your analysis without any trouble. All right, so that's it. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I hope that this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to get notification whenever we put out new content. Thank you so much. Bye bye.